What is clove? Cloves are the aromatic flower buds of the tree known botanically as Syzygium aromaticum. Cloves are the immature unopened flower buds of a tropical tree. When fresh, they are pink; dried, they turn to a rust-brown color. Measuring 12 to 16 millimeters long, they resemble small nails, with a tapered stem. The large end of the clove is the four-pointed flower bud. This tropical evergreen tree is native to the Moluccas Islands, or Spice Islands, of Indonesia. It may attain a height of 50 feet and it's propagated by seeds planted in the shade. Trees will start flowering after the 5th year. Most of the world's supply comes from Zanzibar, Madagascar, and Brazil. Buy high-quality cloves. What are you waiting for?